I would like to address the term elegance that's been going around in the classic menswear community. I'm sure you've heard that tailored clothes like suits and jackets are considered elegant among enthusiasts. I want to talk with you about this whole idea of elegance. Let's explore together what it really means. When is someone actually elegant? Is someone wearing a beautifully crafted suit elegant? Please feel free to contribute to the discussion and add your comments in the comment section. Because this isn't me telling you what real elegance is. I will just share my own questions and thoughts about this topic. Maybe by following the video, you will come to understand what elegance means to you personally. So, is classic menswear really elegant? I bet you've heard YouTubers say that classic menswear, tailored clothes for men, are very elegant. You will also hear me saying that in my videos. But are they actually elegant? Let's start by asking, what exactly is elegance? Can we understand it in terms of clothes? So, is elegance the sophisticated construction of a tailored jacket? Those beautiful lines of the lapel, the way all the parts balance almost like they're echoing the male body? Or is it about those beautifully crafted fabrics with their colors and weaves that have been crafted by skillful people and machines? Is it a man dressed in clean, neat clothes that accentuate his posture, emphasize his natural build, maybe even complement his coloring, hair, skin, eyes and so on? If we say that is elegant, then we have to ask, is a stressed out businessman or a corrupt politician in a beautiful suit elegant? Now we might doubt. At least I am doubting this. Something feels off to me. So then the next step would be to ask if elegance is to be understood in terms of attitude and not so much in terms of clothes. As beautiful clothes don't make the angry man, for example, elegant, does it? How someone presents himself, how he acts, feels, talks, and treats others might be more relevant. We might say no matter how beautifully crafted or high quality a garment is, if the man himself isn't effortless, isn't kind, isn't beautiful within himself, no outfit can truly help him. So, ultimately, can one achieve elegance in clothes? To answer that question, I would like to look at nature for a moment. It's unrelated to menswear, but I believe we can learn from it in terms of elegance. Have you ever watched a colorful butterfly floating on the summer breeze? See how elegantly and gracefully it moves. It's so full of life, so effortless. Now going back to menswear again. Just like that butterfly, if you're not overly conscious about yourself, if you have no bad intentions within yourself, if you feel good and natural in your clothes, even if others don't share your style preferences, if you feel natural, effortless, wouldn't you say that's real elegance? Then do we come to realize that it's not the tailored clothes that make the man elegant, but it's the way he feels and acts within it? And if any clothes, whether it's a farmer's work shirt, a man's suit, or traditional, let's say Mexican or Japanese clothing, you get the idea. If these clothes give someone that natural feeling, can't we call that real elegance? Now, if classic menswear, you know what I mean, suits, jackets, high-waisted trousers, ties, pocket squares, leather shoes, different lapel width, that pleasant sensation of feeling fine fabric in your hands, if all of this genuinely brings you joy and makes you want to learn everything about it, then that's when it becomes elegant for you. This leads to another interesting question for those of you who might despise casual and fast fashion clothes. Can someone be elegant in these? If someone feels very comfortable and natural in their clothes, can they be just as elegant as someone in a suit? To me, they are the same. I want to make sure that I do see a difference between someone who genuinely enjoys wearing tailored clothes for the pure joy of it, and someone in a suit who has to wear it but doesn't feel comfortable or confident in one. It immediately shows, and that's when I personally don't like suits. But if you deeply enjoy tailored clothes, everyone around you will feel that ease and elegance. Likewise, wearing fast fashion just because everyone else does, then you're just following without being sensitive to what you're wearing. To me, that seems less authentic and less elegant. So, neither a suit nor a casual outfit per se makes one elegant. I think that sensitivity is key for authenticity. That means give your entire heart to your clothes. That is where elegance in dressing begins. My message is simple. If you love classic menswear or any other style, pursue it profoundly. Learn about it, make it your own. Dare to find your own style with real dedication and sincerity. Caring about elegance isn't the goal. Elegance will show naturally if you're sincere. Having said all that, if you enjoy the style too, welcome to the community. I would love to explore classic menswear with a bit of a modern twist with you. I'd love for you to join me on this journey. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next video.